In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix Chat from your website. If you're looking to clean up your site, or simply don't need the chat feature anymore, you'll find these steps concise and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Wix by entering the URL into your browser or by logging into your account. Once you're on the Wix homepage, you'll see the dashboard that acts as your central hub for all site management tasks. From here, locate and click on the Edit Site option. This action will direct you to the Wix editor, where you can make various changes to your website design and functionality. Now, once you're in the editor, look for the 4-box icon, typically found on the left side of the screen. This icon represents the site elements and components you can manage and modify. Clicking on it will open a panel with multiple options. Here, you'll want to find the Manage Apps button. This section is where all your installed apps, including Wix Chat, are listed, providing you with a central place to manage or remove them. After clicking on Manage Apps, slowly scroll through the list until you come across the Wix Chat application. You want to ensure you're precisely selecting the right app to avoid inadvertently deleting something crucial. Once you have located the Wix Chat app, click on it to reveal more options specifically related to this application. Next, you'll notice a Delete App button that allows you to remove the Wix Chat feature from your site. Click on this button, but note that Wix will want to understand your reason for removing the app. You will be prompted to choose from several options that best reflect why you're deleting Wix Chat. Select the reason that suits your situation, whether it's because the chat is no longer needed or you're looking to switch to a different tool. Providing feedback helps Wix improve its services. Once you've selected your reason, confirm the deletion by clicking the final Delete App button. At this point, Wix will process your request, and shortly, you'll see that the Wix Chat has been successfully removed from your website. You can quickly verify the removal by navigating back to your Site Elements list, confirming that the app is no longer present. And there you have it. Your Wix site is now free of the chat feature. This straightforward process can help keep your website streamlined and ensure only the tools you use regularly are present, helping improve your site's performance and user experience. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy editing!